Today we are going to make easy paper pouch for taking your pencils and all. So before getting into the video, make sure you watch my video till the end. So now let's get into the video. You need one colored paper, one A4 sheet paper, one ruler, plastic paper. If not paper, this is plastic cover. You will get it from your parents if you don't have. Even glass painting paper you can use. Cut it into square, and scissors for cutting, marker or sketch, black color, some decorative things like stickers or whatever you have at your home, and some glue. If your glue can stick on plastic, then you can use that glue only. My glue cannot stick in plastic, that's why I am going to use this hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, not a problem, you can use super glue, or even if you don't have that, you can just try it to stick it with your normal glue, white glue, that is like this. So okay, now let's get into the video. First what you should do is take your color paper and then I'll show you next. Okay, this I forgot to say, you will also be needing a decorative paper, a small decorative paper. Okay, first take your color paper. Your color paper should be 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Over here there should be 30 centimeter and here there should be 20 centimeter. Okay, now first what you should do is take your paper, keep like this, and like this, like a sandwich. Press it properly, nice and tight. First make sure you keep it nicely in correct position and place, and then only you are going to do it, press it. Like this. See guys, just like this. I just made it like a chapati like this, and then open. And then they should be over here, and they should be over here. Wait a second. Nicely keep. This should be over here. I am not making pencil box because you can only store very little things in that, but in pencil pouch you can actually keep how much ever things you want. There are unlimited space also sometimes. If you want me to make even a pencil box, write down in the comments down below. So yeah, you should do it like this and open it, and over here like this. So one side finished, the other side also the same, like this here, and keep it in a correct position, and that's all, like this. And then take your glue. I'm using this glue, white glue. Even you can use whatever glue you have. Put the glue nicely in the paper. Wait a second, something gone wrong, I guess. Yeah, now it's all correct. See the glue fully at this, only this part we are going to stick the glue, other part not at all needed. So guys, both side you should stick it, as I said. Only one side I said, but both side you should stick like this with glue nice and tight. So after that you need a pen or a pencil, and then just draw over that whatever you like. So guys, I like to draw heart. I like heart, that's why I drew over here a heart. In the middle only you should draw, not at the ends. So after that you should cut this part with scissors, not like this. You just make a hole, some like in the middle. And cut the heart. So guys, I cutted that one and kept it aside, and with that I just made like this. I mean not this, this is the other one. Like this I just traced it on that with that cut piece, and then keep this aside, this paper aside, and then if you have any double-sided tape also you can use it, but I don't have double-sided tape, that's why I'm going to use this. First take the plastic paper and apply the glue on that. Slowly you should apply. You should be very careful with this because it is very hot. And then you should stick the plastic paper slowly, just as I am doing. See? And then take this side, this for you I'm showing, like this and like this. For that you should apply the glue at the down part over here. So guys, I just applied the glue and just rubbed it with my hand. So after that take this side and stick like this, and take this side and stick this like this over here, nice and tight you should stick, then only it will stick properly. And this side also you're going to stick over there. So guys, I stuck it with the glue. See, behind the plastic paper, nice it is covered. So then the cutted part which is traced, we are going to stick that in the middle. So guys, see, I took this and I'm going to stick it. Nicely you should stick it. See, the both sides are equal, the same place, and I'm going to give a little bit of cuteness to this by giving cute little eyes. And one mouth. So then I'm going to take my this thing and decorate. You Even if you have like this type of paper, you can use that and cut it. Even the sticker paper which is over here, you will get that. So I'm going, here are various marble stickers. So I want to take mini. See how cute this is. So stick it. And we are going to make the the lid for this. For the lid you need A4 paper. First you should check how much this is, like over here, and see, you can see that only till here. So till here we are going to fold that like this and cut that. Over here you are going to cut. Make sure you cut here, not over here. So guys, you can see that this equal part you are going to cut one part from there, and then this part you are going to stick here glue like this. So yeah. Apply it with your hand so that it will stick properly when you spread the glue. If you want, you can spread, but if you spread, it's more better. So like this. So that's all. Now over here, make just a little bit of, wait, I'll show you nicely. Take this part over here. See, like this, and over here cut like this. I'm going to show you. Like this. So over here it's going to be sticking like this, and it will be like this. I'll show you. So guys, see how nice this pouch is, and then you can store anything like this, pencils, pens, how much ever you want. And then how to close this key over here, and that's all. Your pouch is ready. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.